In this video, I will teach you the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So let's start this video. In supervised learning, we label the data. For example, we want to create a classification model that classify what is spider and what is cat. So we will label the data that this is spider and this is cat, and we will feed into the algorithm. So next time it sees spider, it will recognize that this is spider and this is cat. Whereas in unsupervised learning, we don't have to label the data. We can feed the data into the algorithm and it will find patterns in it. The greatest example of it will be Amazon recommender system. It recommends you what products you will like according to your buying decisions. The pros of supervised learning is that it gives more better result because we are labeling the data that this is spider, this is cat. Whereas the cons of it is that it requires lot of manual labor. Whereas in unsupervised learning, it does not require lot of manual work, but we have less control over the outcome. So when to use supervised learning and when to use unsupervised learning. You should use supervised learning when you have lot of labeled data, and you should use unsupervised learning when getting the labeled data is hard and getting the unlabeled data is easy. Hopefully you have understand the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. If you want detailed explanation of both supervised learning and unsupervised learning, you should click on the card. It will take you to my machine learning playlist where I have explained both in details. If you want more exclusive videos, you should click on the top link in the description. That will take you to my school community that is created for people who love AI, machine learning and robotics. By joining, you will get exclusive videos there, and you can also request the videos you want. By doing so, you will be supporting this channel and also creating a community of people who love these things.